rammed. Hi, I'm Ray Williams. Magnum new rules the return of Alkaline. Out of sight for years, but center stage before thousands at the National Stadium car park.
Magnum new rules, the hottest ticket in dancehall, stretching traffic and lines at the National Stadium car park. Capacity crowd expected and delivered. Anticipation so high, something was bound to happen. Security barriers no obstacle to some rampaging patrons. Guns pulled by jittery security. VIP a hop and skip away from these fans. VIP also overrun by entourages and a nightmare for media trying to move around. From Taros to Shaggy to Mavado, no lean lineup. But all eyes on Alkaline, now recast as the man himself. Sounds familiar? The reclusive but charting DJ out of sight for years, while still getting talked about. Crowd-shy Alkaline losing the silly contacts, but none of his lyrical skills. Hits arriving, but the man remaining hidden. Hyped as Cartel's successor, Alkaline even detained by cops probing a murder. Shades of Addy, but Alkaline sauntering from jail to his return gig in a blaze of publicity. Nothing like notoriety to whet dancehall appetites. Alkaline's every step shadowed by security, even Frenemy Chronicle taking in his ex-pal's return to the stage. Alkaline still to gain in more confidence before a large crowd, but a psychological hurdle crossed by finally facing his fans, with a little help from Mavado and his Gully squad. While together with his co-promoters making a bundle from a sold-out show. Here are some highlights.
Hey, some boy told me kill it. Say them a talk. They never go without a problem. Never you say, hey never. You know.
It's a lava lava.
Everywhere we go, them a go with them. Signal, how we do it? Them a want up, how we do it? You know me, that's not me, it's so it. What the homie? This is here for everybody. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, them a go there. Tell them them a go there. Lock up your car, you can't go up. Yeah, them a go there. You need to be on it there. Show us up here, don't be greedy, because they don't be taking them over there. Show your hands in the air, yeah. Put your hands up for your sexy girl. This could be the man I want to be here. The reason they want to make it here. Because I'm a big job and I'm going to get out of here. Me live in your life. And if you go away, tell my friends that now. Me like a big